Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a two-balloon large balloon butterfly that can be worn as a backpack, it can be worn on a hat, and I'm sure it can be used for many other things as well. Some supplies you're going to need are your handy dandy balloon pump, two 260 size balloon twisting balloons. Both of these items can be found in the description below. Grab a Sharpie for adding any facial details. And last but not least, if you appreciate my balloon tutorials, like this video for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel and it's a super small free way that you can show your support. You can also subscribe to my channel for some more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Once you've gathered your supplies, then smash that like button. Let's get started. I'm going to inflate both of my balloons so they have about a 4 finger length tail. So whichever balloon that you have is slightly longer, start with that one. Looks like my pink is a few inches longer than my purple balloon, so I'm going to start with the pink one. With this balloon, I'm going to create a 3 to 4 inch bubble that's going to be the butterfly body. Next, I'm going to create a 1 inch bubble with my purple balloon and attach it right where I made this twist. You can make a twist beforehand, or you can just put pressure on it and twist the balloons around each other. We're about to do a pretty tight twist, so I'm going to squeeze both of my balloons with both hands to shoot some of the air down to the end and soften the balloon a little bit. Now I'm going to twist together these two sections after about 8 or 9 inches. Now here's the tight twist I was talking about. We are going to fold these two sections in half. I'm going to hold on to my first set of twists with one hand so that I have one hand free. Once I'm holding these two twists with the same hand, I'm going to take my free hand, turn it upside down, grab both of these bottom wings and create 2 loop twists at the same time by twisting them around. This might take you some practice. A helpful tip is to keep your hand in between all of your balloons that are twisting so that they're not rubbing on each other. If you can separate the balloons that are going to be rubbing on each other with your hand, they're much less likely to pop. Now we're going to create the top wings. I'm going to line up both balloons so that the inflated parts are at the same level and make a twist about 2 to 3 inches down from there. Now I'm going to do that same twist with these 2 large sections, and this can be a bit daunting. It's a big twist, but what I've found to be the easiest way to do this is to make sure that your body is on the opposite side of where you're about to twist from. Put this last twist in between your thumb and index finger. Bend these around so that you can use your thumb and index finger on that same hand to grab these bottom wings. Now I have a free hand and I'm going to turn it upside down, place it above the body, grab both of my wings as much as I can, and twist it around gently. Now we have a jumbled bunch of balloons, so let's orient it like this. The longer part of my body is going to go under these 2 bottom wings, going straight down. The 1 inch bubble, or the head that I made for the body, is going to go right here in front in between these 2 bottom wings. My top wings are going to be facing forward. It's easy to get these top wings to face forward if they're sitting in the creases of these bottom wings, which are laying somewhat flat. And with my 2 antennas that I've got here, I'm going to create 2 balloon bulbs. I'll add some Sharpie art for the face. And this here is your large balloon butterfly. I never intended this to be a backpack, but I saw a little girl walk out of a restaurant by putting it on one arm and through the other. I can't do that, my arms are too big, but you can let little kids know that that is an option. You can also create a simple balloon hat out of this. Inflate a 3rd balloon so that you have 2 to 3 finger lengths tail. Measure someone's head. Make a twist right here so that you have the remainder of your balloon and a 1 inch bubble. Hide this nozzle by creating an ear twist out of it. And attach the rest of your tail of this 3rd balloon to the back of your butterfly. And there you have a butterfly on a hat. You can also use this hat technique to pretty much attach any animal to a hat, and if it's too long up here, you can always do a quick break to shorten it a little bit. If this was helpful, don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel, and it's a super small, free way that you can show your support. Subscribe to my channel for some more balloon twisting, personal finance, and business tips. Let me know in the comments below what content you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.